No, not speaking. Speaking truth is means it's not just only morality truth. Truth means we have to speak Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. This is the ultimate truth. And all other things, if you tell little bit lies, no problem. But if you don't tell Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead, then what is the use of your education? What you have given them? Everything is useless. There is no use of that education if you don't teach Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. So this is the real education. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. What is this knowledge? Not IT, Java, Java, J2EE, Oracle, NEET, GATE, MTech, all this. These are not education. Education is Krishna is supreme personality of. You have to logically, scientifically explain, prove that Krishna is supreme personality of God through the scriptures, to pure scriptures, to gain favor of that supreme. Supreme personality of Godhead, Krishna is the origin root from whom everything has emanated. To gain the favor of that personality of Godhead, one has to only surrender. After reaching our analysis to Krishna, what we have to do? Krishna सामने प्रकट होने से क्या करेंगे? If Krishna comes in front of us and stand, what will do? क्लास चल रहा है, मैं मिलता हूँ अभी आया मैं भी इधर ही. So we have to what we have to do once we come in front of Krishna, one has to surrender. You see the prayers of Prahlad Maharaj, what he does when he goes in front of Narsingadev. With folded hands, he goes to in front of Narsingadev and he offers prostrated obeisances. Then Lord Narsingadev touches his head and make him sit on his lap and lick his body. Such a surrender. No way to, he don't have any inch of iota of iota of taste for sense gratification. What he learned from Narada Muni in the womb, he is remembering that. He is not favorable to the Shanda and Amarkas training. He is your friend, he is your enemy, how to kill enemy, how to make more friends and be the leader of them. These are all politics. These are all Shanda Marka training. He is not paying attention, Prahlad Maharaj. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also relishes the Prahlad Maharaj prayers. So we have to learn from them. We should read again and again. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to hear Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruv Maharaj surrender to Krishna. Yeah, per day 108 times he used to hear. Again and again from Gadadhar Pandit. To gain favor of that Supreme Personality, one has only to surrender. Sharanagatona. You cannot do in front of Krishna directly until and unless you do with Vaishnavas and your spiritual master. You have to train properly. You have to get properly trained. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वैष्णवास को शरणागत होना चाहिए. वो लोग जो बोलता है वो करना चाहिए भक्ति में, है ना. तो वॉट एवर दे टेल, यस सर, आई एम योर सर्वेंट, है ना, आई एम योर डॉग. कृष्ण गुरु के सामने तुम्हारा कुकुर. दैट सरेंडर व्हेन यू डू षडंग शरणागति to spiritual Vaishnavas and spiritual master, then when you go to Krishna, you can easily surrender. Not just going, Prabhu, मैं किसी को शरणागत नहीं होता हूँ. I don't surrender to anyone. I will surrender only to Krishna. That you cannot do, sir. Yesterday, one boy was telling, प्रभु जी मैं तो कृष्ण को प्रार्थना करता हूँ, जो भी करेगा. मैं बोला आप कृष्ण के ऊपर, कृष्णा will not talk to you. You should tell my spiritual master, my authority is my ultimate person. Whatever they tell, I will do. ये नहीं कि कृष्णा whatever he tells, I will do. Why he will tell like that? Because Krishna is not going to tell anything. So this is nonsense. This is not surrender. So one has to surrender. If you don't surrender, then you cannot get benefit. Only to surrender, and this is the result of performing devotional service by hearing, chanting, etc. आपका भक्ति का फल यह है कि शरणागत होना, जो बोलता है वो करना, बहस नहीं करना है वैष्णवों के साथ ना. small things people cannot understand. The small service, can you do this? We have innate nature to say no to service. So we should overcome that. In association of devotees, we should say always. Radhanath Maharaj was telling, if when we say no to service, we are not fit for devotional service. This is a very dangerous thing to say no to service. You can clarify or anything, but not say no. We have to always try to say yes to service, surrender. He is the cause of extension of the material world. This has already been explained by Lord himself. Aham sarvasya prabhava. I am the origin of everything. Therefore, to get out of the entanglement of the strong banyan tree of the material life, one must surrender to Krishna. As soon as one surrenders unto Krishna, one becomes detached automatically from this material extension. This, once you surrender मतलब जो बोलेगा करना चाहिए, जो बोलेगा करना चाहिए. हाँ? So this surrender one has to do first to spiritual master, Vaishnavas, then Krishna, serially. Okay, so this material world, again translation I am reading, real form of this tree cannot be perceived in this material world, in this world. No one can understand where it ends, where it begins, or where its foundation is. With determination, one must cut down this strongly rooted tree with the weapon of detachment. Without weapon, we cannot cut. One cannot be attached to material world also and be attached to spiritual world also. So one devotee was telling, okay, if you want to go from from your place to station, railway station, can you go in two vehicles? Two bikes are going to station. Can you sit on two bikes? You cannot sit on two bikes. You have to sit either of the vehicle. You cannot sit in two vehicles. You will be ripped off. Similarly, one cannot be attached to both material world also and spiritual world also. Material world means material body, material relationships, material house, material field, whatever there in this material world, everything comes. Not only just, I don't like material world, but I like my parents. I love my family. I love my friends. I love my house. Everything is, all these are material things. We have to get detached from all these things and only connect to Krishna. And Krishna means, spiritual world means connected to spiritual world. Anything related to spiritual world is spiritual. कृष्णा का फैमिली, हमारा फैमिली सब स्पिरिचुअल है. ओरिजिनल फैमिली को कनेक्ट होना चाहिए, नॉट टू दिस टेम्पररी मटेरियल फैमिली, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड, मटेरियल प्लेस, मटेरियल हाउस, मटेरियल रिलेशनशिप्स. वी शुड कट ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. मेरा so this then we will go to next verse. Anybody has doubt in this? Anybody has doubt? Okay, we'll go for next verse. So this is the how process of surrender. What is the process of surrender? Next verse, Krishna speaks this verse, very, very important, the process of surrender. Nirmana moha jita sanga dosha adhyatma nitya vinivritta kama dvandve vimukta sukha dukkha sanjner gachanti amuda padam avyayam tat. So those who are free from false prestige, illusion, false association, who understand the eternal, who are done with material lust, who are free from dualities of happiness and distress, and who is unbewildered, know how to surrender to the Supreme Person, attain to that eternal kingdom. You all can repeat after me. मेरे को लग रहा है कि मैं अकेला बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Those who are free from false prestige,
Those who are free from false prestige,
illusion,
illusion,
and false association,
and false association,
who understand the eternal,
who understand the eternal,
who are done with material lust,
who are done with material lust,
who are free from dualities of happiness and distress,
who are free from dualities of happiness and distress,
who is unbewildered,
who unbewildered,
know how to surrender unto
know how to surrender unto
the Supreme Person,
the Supreme Person,
attain to that eternal kingdom.
attain to that eternal kingdom.
So these are the qualities. So Prabhupada will explain also. Nirmana, moha, jita sanga, dosha. संग दोष को जीतना चाहिए. आध्यात्म नित्य विनिवृत्त कामा. So one thing is very, very important. Who are free from false prestige. क्या है इस दुनिया में prestige है, सब है. One should overcome this false prestige. So many karmis are respecting you. Prabhupada is to tell, a lion is respected by all animals. That doesn't mean you are a king. Lion is also animal. Animal is respected by all animals. Materialists are respected by materialists. Materialists glorify materialists. Devotees glorify devotees. One should be famous among the devotees, not among the materialists, karmis. So many karmis are appreciating means you are a karmi. So one should not be appreciated by karmis. One should be appreciated by devotees. One should be free from false prestige, illusion. One should not be in illusion and false association. And one should understand eternal. And one should be done with the material lust. और कुछ थोड़ा सा इच्छा है, थोड़ा सा ना आजकल पोर्नोग्राफी में, इसमें देन व्हाट इज सिनेमा. आजकल सिनेमा देखना चाहते हैं. हाँ, शूद्र और शूद्रानी अजामिल बनना चाहते हैं. Still they want to see such videos. What is there that karmi and the shudra and shudrani embracing? Why we have to see that? You have to done with material lust. कुछ और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, और भी थोड़ा डिवोटी बनने के बाद भी थोड़ा सा रुचि है सिनेमा गाना सुनने का, थोड़ा क्रिकेट देखने का, आईपीएल क्या चल रहा है, हाँ, वर्ल्ड कप कब है, फुटबॉल, बॉल, स्मॉल बॉल, बिग बॉल, गोल्फ बॉल, all are opposite, tendency to attract opposite sex. No. So those who are sexually attracted, they play with the balls. One should not be done with, one should be done with the material lust. Who are free from dualities of happiness and distress. One should not be one should not feel so happy in this material world, nor so distressed. You should know happiness will not stay for long, and distress also will not stay for. Matra sparsastu kaunteya shitosna sukha dukkada agama apayo nitya tam titiksha bharata. One should not be, bewildered, unbewildered. Shock नहीं होना चाहिए. ये क्या है? Why Krishna is playing with so many girls? He's the master of not only girls, boys, animals, trees, birds. All jivas are meant for Krishna's enjoyment. Not only young girls. Krishna will be attract. Krishna can attract even calves, animals, birds, aquatics. Everybody is attracted to Krishna. Why only young girls? Know how to surrender to Krishna, how to surrender to that Supreme, attain to that eternal kingdom. Can somebody read this purport?
The surrendering process is described very nicely.
Okay.
The first
Read.
qualification is that one should not be deluded by pride, because the conditioned soul is puffed up, thinking himself the lord of material nature. It is very difficult for him to surrender unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. One should know by the cultivation of real knowledge that he is not Lord of material nature. The Supreme Personality of God is the Lord. When one is free from delusion caused by pride, he can begin the process of surrender.
So
For
wait,
one,
wait. Surrender process is described very nicely. The first qualification is should be free from pride. Pride क्यों जो आता है? मैं इतना हूं, मेरे पास ये है, वो है. But real owner is Krishna. I am not the owner. I have so much lands. I must have so much money. I have so many followers. How long these people will be there with me? The real owner is Krishna. So one should know by cultivation of real knowledge. This is when we stay with devotees. When you say, Prabhu, I have got so much success. I am the millionaire. Then devotees will tell, Arey Baba, but you may be millionaire, but again after that, at the time of death, everything will be taken up. Like Ambarish Prabhu, many people in ISKCON, they are very big, rich people, but they are not puffed up. They are very ideal devotees. They are very humble. Mafatlal Prabhu, Ambarish, Mafatlal Prabhu, what is his name?
Krishna Chandra Prabhu.
Krishna Chandra Prabhu. And in Delhi, you see this Ved Vyas Prabhu. He's a Surya Bulb owner. Every day he comes at 4:30. And in our NVCC, Rasavigra Prabhu. He's the director of VIT. Every day, I never even remember a day whenever I was in NVCC, I see him coming for morning brew. And very humble. Very humble. See, they are devotees, not who are puffed up. If there are such examples are there, then lower examples will be, lower people will become easily don't get puffed up. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead is the owner. When one is freed from delusion caused by pride, he can begin process of surrender. जब तक pride रहेगा तो surrender नहीं हो सकता. Why I have to surrender? मैं इतना बड़ा आदमी हूं, मेरे पास इतना पैकेज है, मेरे पास भी सुंदर पत्नी है. Indra had false ego. Why I should give Parijata to Krishna and his wife? I also have my wife. I will give to my wife. I will not give to Krishna's wife. So if you have beautiful wife, then if you are proud of it, then it is Maya. Then we cannot surrender to Krishna. Kitna wealth hai. Indra was not once, he didn't become puffed up for once. All the time. Those who have riches, naturally they get proud, puffed up. That's why we should not aspire for more money, more for na dhanam, na janam, na sundari. We should not expect all these three things. फिर भी कर्मी लोग हमेशा धनम दो, फॉलोअर दो, लाइक्स दो, मेरे को यूट्यूब में लाइक्स दो. They are always praying for that. और ये सब का पाके क्या करेंगे? किसी को दिखाना चाहिए ना, सुंदर पत्नी चाहिए। प्रभुपाद ऐसा नहीं करते थे, एक अमेरिकन एक इंडियन, एक काला एक गोरा, शुड नॉट बी अटैच। प्रभुपाद की पिताजी भी बोले ना, ब्यूटीफुल वाइफ, रूपवती भार्या शत्रु, चाणक्य पंडित says. Everybody will look at her. They will not look at you. And they will be always wanting to talk to her, wanting to enjoy her. Beautiful. That's why Rupavati Bharya Shakti. You know? So this, if you want to surrender, one should be free from all this. What you have, I am proud of I am proud because of my car. I am proud of my money. I have so much money. This, then you cannot surrender. Pride is due to illusion. You know? For although one comes here, stays for a brief time, and then goes away, he has a foolish notion that he is the Lord of the world. मैं बड़ा मैनेजर हूँ, बड़ा एक्सपर्ट हूँ, I am very expert in playing mridang, I am very expert in singing, I am very expert in cooking. One should not become puffed up. I can preach nicely, I can give nice classes. So nahi. Okay, can you read? He thus makes all things complicated. Who was reading?
And he is always in trouble. The whole world moves under this impression. People are considering the land, this earth, to belong to human society, and they have divided the land under the false impression that they are the proprietors. One has to get out of this false notion that human society is the proprietor of this world. When one is freed from such a false notion, he becomes free from all the false association caused by familial, social, and national affections. This faulty association bind one to this material world. After this stage, one has to develop spiritual knowledge. One has to cultivate knowledge of what is actually his own and what is actually not his own. And when one has an understanding of things as they are, he becomes free from all dual conceptions such as happiness and distress, pleasure and pain. He becomes full in knowledge, then it is possible for him to surrender to the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Can you give some examples, everybody? One example, how in your surroundings people are becoming puffed up with this material world things. One example. Here Prabhupada is telling, whole world is moving under this impression. People are considering this land, this earth belong to human society. है ना? ये इतना गूगल मैप लगा के आजकल जमीन, ये जमीन किसका है, ये जमीन किसका है, किसका नाम पर है, गूगल में दिखता है आजकल। इतना टेक्नोलॉजी है ना, पूरा जमीन ये बॉर्डर से ये बॉर्डर पूरा नीट एंड क्लीन डिवाइड किया है ना। इतना करता है मूर्ख लोग। ये पहले लोग भगवान को जो मानते थे, सब ये सारा भूमि गोपाल का है, सारा भूमि गोपाल का है, थोड़ी हमारा है। बॉर्डर के इतना मेजरमेंट, नो इन माय विलेज दे कम एंड मेजर with this many feet, this much, they mark that place and so much attached to that. ये मेरा भूमि है, ये जमीन मेरा है, इतना स्क्वायर फीट, 1 एकड़ 40 स्क्वायर फीट, 40 गुंटा। अभी अब मेरे को मंदिर के लिए जमीन मिल रहा था, पहले बार सुना मैं। 1 एकड़ मतलब 40 गुंटा। 1 गुंटा का कॉस्ट कितना? 20 लाख। Oh, this has become a business. पानी, ये मेरा लैंड में मैं बोरवेल लगाता हूँ गांव में। ये इसके बॉर्डर के बाजू में उस तरफ और एक बोर्ड लगा दिया, बोरिंग। बोरिंग मतलब ड्रिलिंग अर्थ एंड टेकिंग वाटर। हाँ, so foolish people are always thinking this is mine, this is mine, competition. When you go to spiritual world, there is no competition. Competition is due to less resources. When you go to spiritual world, there are a lot of resources. You don't need to fight. You know, that is the spiritual world. There is no competition. You know, थोड़ा सा मैंने when I was in my childhood, I saw little border issues in a field, agriculture field. People, this tree is mine. This is under our line. You know, because of one big tree, no, two families became divided in our village. I saw two people who are fighting for that one banyan tree, big tree. So people fight for every small thing. This is land is mine, that this. You saw Mahabharat war happened. All Kauravas are not even giving five villages to Pandavas. I don't give the land in which the pin also stand. If you want, you have to fight and get it. ऐसा है, कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आप लोग भी शेयर कर सकते हैं?
Yes, Proji. Actually, actually, I'm in a company like Godrej. Godrej have very big land in Mumbai, and Godrej started around hundreds years back. But in last 5 days, the same thing like you are saying, just because of land, two families are divided. Same the scenario happened with the Godrej also. The two brothers has divided the company just because like false ego, false pride, like this project.
Why they are fighting? Because they lack of spiritual knowledge. That's why devotees have to preach. Even big people, you know, Adani, this Ambani families. No, when I was hearing in the news, they were fighting like dogs. When I heard one very big incident, the Raymond company, Raymond company. You all know Raymond company,
Yes,
cloth
Prabhuji.
company. That owner had a son. He took all the property from his father and he threw him in the road. Literally threw him in the road and said nobody should help him. That Raymond, you can see the history also. You can go on such a danger it is to get puffed up. I'm so and so, I can throw away my father. So devotee should not be become, when we teach spirituality, people will become humble. And when Krishna will not allow us to become puffed up. And you see how much lusty one person was telling recently. So one person was telling one 60-year-old man in the camera, they caught that he raped 4-year-old girl. And he killed her. He raped and killed her. 4-year-old girl. Why? Because of lust. Lust is not satisfied. So they are not done with lust. So how can they surrender to Krishna? There are two ways of done with lust. Either after getting married, then be satisfied. Brahmacharis by hearing from spiritual master. अरे भाई सब लोग बोल रहे हैं ये शादी में कुछ यही नहीं, शादी से पहले यंग एज में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड विल दे टेल दिल तो पागल है. No, all the thing will go away. That is due to Rasoguna. Embracing, kissing in front of everyone. Married people will not do. No, they are done with lust. No, after marrying also, if they are not satisfied, then if they don't chant holy name, then they will not be satisfied. They want to do enjoy in different ways. One person was telling, अरे क्या बचपन में मैंने क्या यंग में यूथ में क्या गलत कर दिया, मैं प्राइवेट जॉब में आया, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना था, क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया, लैमेंटिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलना था, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में अच्छे से मिलता था, मैं गया नहीं. स्ट्रेस, ही इज फीलिंग सो मच सेपरेशन. गवर्नमेंट जॉब, यूपीएससी के लिए कितना पागल होता है, पागल लिटरली. रात भर दिन भर पढ़ाई करते रहते. After getting the job, they will not work hard to serve the nation. Okay, so there are many examples we can speak like that. गलत संग में रहेगा. Man is known by the company he keeps. If we like, one devotee was telling, अरे प्रभु डिवोटी इतना कोई गुस्सा होता है, शांत रहना चाहिए ना. डिवोटी मतलब शांति रहना चाहिए. अरे डिवोटी भगवान को मानता है, नॉन डिवोटी शांत रहता है लेकिन वो भगवान को नहीं मानता है. शांत रहेगा तो भी. यस्यास्ति भक्ति भगवती अकिंचन सर्वै गुणैस्तत्र समासते सुरा हराभक्तस्य कुतो महद्गुण मनोरसेन सपतो भवति. So there are no good qualities in non-devotees. You should never think non-devotee is good. If somebody doesn't, even भले माता हो, पिता हो, या पत्नी हो, बच्चा हो, या कोई भी हो जो भगवान को नहीं मानता है, वो राक्षस है. There are no good qualities if somebody doesn't surrender to Krishna. One should not become attached to them. If you are getting attached to devotees, no problem. They will remind you, Prabhu, this is Maya. So surrendering process is described very nicely in this verse. How to surrender to Krishna. Yeah? So we'll read this verse and end. न तद्भाष्यते सूर्यो न शशांको न पावक यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम. You can repeat after me. न तद्भाष्यते सूर्यो
न तद्भाषयते सूर्यो
न शशांको न पावक
न शशांको न पावकः
यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते
यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते
परमं मम.
तद्धाम परमं मम.
The only verse which speaks about spiritual world in Bhagavad Gita. Natad Bhasyate Suryo. The spiritual world is not lighted by sun, na Shashanko, nor moon, na Pavaka. There is no fire, electricity, no. Then how it must be in our world? If there is no sunrise, no light. In night time, no moon, no light. दो बल्ब लगाया पूरा दुनिया को जगाने, पूरा दुनिया को कांति देने के लिए भगवान सिर्फ दो बल्ब लगाए. पूरा पृथ्वी को, पूरा चौथा लोगों को दो बल्ब लाइट कर देता है, सबको लाइट देता है. सन एंड मून. हम कितना बल्ब चालू करते हैं सिटी में लाइट करने के लिए. That supreme abode of mine is not illumined by the sun or moon, nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach it never return to this material world. Take symptom of spiritual world. कोई भी उधर जाएगा और रिटर्न नहीं आएगा। इसका अर्थ क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? हाँ,
कि प्रभु जी स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड इटर्नल है, वहां पे जाके इसलिए कभी वापस नहीं आना पड़ेगा।
spiritual world is so attractive that they will never again look back to material world. अगर आपने देखो कितना दिन से आप लैट्रिन यूज करते हैं, कभी आप सेपरेशन फील हुआ है क्या? अरे मैं कब लैट्रिन में जाऊं, कभी लैट्रिन में जाऊं। कोई घर पे लैट्रिन बाथरूम रहता है, कोई काउंट करता है क्या? 2 BHK, टू बेड, 2 हॉल, 2 किचन, सॉरी 2 बेड, 1 हॉल, 1 किचन, and there is no bathroom inside it. They don't mention. They mention है somebody? हमारे घर में टॉयलेट भी है भाई। मेंशन करता है क्या कोई? कोई बोलता है मेरे घर में टॉयलेट भी है सर, टॉयलेट भी है। कोई कंपनी में कोई मेंशन करने का चीज नहीं हो। इट इज अ मेटेरियल वर्ल्ड इज लाइक ए टॉयलेट, लैट्रिन ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड। भगवान इधर सिर्फ टट्टी मार के देते चले जाते हैं, इधर कोई परमानेंट नहीं रहता है। आप देखो, यू सी ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, शिवा, everybody close eyes. All good people close eyes in this material world. They don't like to see this sansara. Huh? They always wanting to go to the spiritual world. They always have desire. कुछ लोग मूर्ख लोग रहता है जो सबसे मूर्खों की श्रेष्ठ है, जो इधर ही रहना चाहता है, वो पतितों की पतित है। The spiritual world, the abode of Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, which is known as Krishna Loka, Goloka, Vrindavan, is described here. The spiritual sky, there is no need of sunshine, moonshine, fire, or electricity, because all planets are self-luminous. We have only one planet in the spiritual sky, are self-luminous. The shining effulgence of all those planets called Vaikunthas constitute the shining sky known as Brahma Jyoti. कितना, अगर आप सिटी को रात में दूर से देखेंगे पूरा लाइट दिखता है, ऐसी स्पिरिचुअल लोकों, वैकुंठ लोकों का कांति है ब्रह्म ज्योति। हमारा दुनिया में जो भी सन एंड मून सनलाइट आता है ब्रह्म ज्योति से आता है। वो ब्रह्म ज्योति कृष्ण ने प्रकट करता है। द पार्ट ऑफ दैट शाइनिंग एफल्जेंस इज कवर्ड बाय महत्त्व, द मटेरियल वर्ल्ड। Other than this, the major portion of the shining sky is full of spiritual planets which are called Vaikunthas, chief of which is Goloka Vrindavan. समझ रहे? किसी को डाउट है क्या इसमें? Is there any doubt? Some people, there is a big controversy in ISKCON. Jiva fall. Yeah? Big controversy. Jiva fall. If Jiva fallen, then how he is not from spiritual world? How come he comes here? Huh? Because there are Nitya Mukta, Nitya Baddha. There are Tatastha Shakti people always have small portion of tendency to be attracted by Maya because of lack of power. They have tendency. Not all jivas are in one category. नित्यानंद प्रभु अगर इतना कॉन्फिडेंट है कि वो अगर दारू पी के 20-25 लड़की के साथ घूम रहा है तो भी विश्वास करना है कि ये बेविल्डर नहीं है, वो कृष्ण को बुला नहीं। He is not trying to say enjoy sense gratification. He is always trying to serve Krishna. ऐसा शास्त्र बताता। One should be captivated by this information. Is very very important. आकर्षित होना चाहिए, मैं स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड जानू, ऐसा क्या, ऐसा उधर कोई एक भी झगड़ा नहीं मिलेगा, कोई झगड़ा नहीं मिलेगा, कोई फालसी को नहीं होगी, कोई 100% शुद्ध लोग उधर। He should desire to transfer himself to that eternal world and extricate himself from this false reflection of reality. For one who is too much attached to this material world, it is very difficult to cut that attachment. But if he takes to Krishna consciousness, there is a chance of gradually becoming detached. अगर भक्ति नहीं है तो बहुत अटैच्ड हो जाता है इस प्रपंच को. अटैच्ड हो, डिटैच्ड हो, नॉन डिवोटी इज यूजलेस. कुछ लोग डिटैच्ड भी रहते हैं. हाँ, मरने दो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. मरो या जिंदा रहो, कोई फायदा नहीं. One has to associate himself with devotees, those who are in Krishna consciousness. One should search out a society dedicated to Krishna consciousness and learn how to discharge devotional service. In this way, cut off this attachment to the material world. One cannot become detached from the attraction of the material world simply by dressing himself in saffron cloth. सिर्फ काशाय ड्रेस पहनने से नहीं होता है. He must become attached to devotional service of the Lord. सेवा आता है तो ना माला क्या जप करेंगे. माला किसके लिए जप करेंगे. ओ राधा, ओ कृष्णा, प्लीज गिव मी सर्विस, प्लीज एंगेज मी इन योर सर्विस. सेवा आता है. नहीं प्रभु, बहुत टाइम, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. अगर कोई नहीं कर रहा है ना, मेरे को दीजिए. कोई अग्री नहीं कर रहा है तो मेरे को दीजिए. मतलब क्या है, his priority for devotional service is last. priority तो है, लेकिन कौन सा priority, first or last? Such kind of people will not go to back to him. He must be attached to the devotional service of the Lord. Therefore, one should take it very seriously that devotional service as described in 12th chapter, the only way to get out of this false representation of real truth. In this chapter 14, the contamination of all kinds of process by material nature is described. Only devotional service is described as a purely transcendental. अगर मैं प्योर नहीं हूं, भक्ति प्योर है, भक्ति विल हेल्प मी. मैं प्योर नहीं हूं, भक्ति प्योर है. So if I become attached to bhakti, then I will become pure. The words Paramam Mama are very important here. Actually, every nook and corner is the property of the Supreme Lord, but the Supreme World is Paramam, full of 6 appearances. Katha Upanishad also confirms this. In the spiritual world, there is no need of sunshine, moonshine, or stars. Na tatra suryo bhati na chandra tarakam. From the spiritual world, for the whole spiritual sky is illuminated by the internal potency of the Supreme Lord. That supreme abode can be achieved only by surrender and by no other means. There is no other means. There is no other means. One has to surrender to Krishna and Guru and Vaishnava. Say Krishna मतलब मैं कृष्ण को अकेला surrender हो जाऊं. नहीं. We have to surrender to Vaishnavas, Guru, and then Krishna, not reverse. One should be captivated by this information of the spiritual world. तो मैं कब जाऊं ऐसे जगह में. अमेरिका, आज अमेरिका जाना चाहिए. अमेरिका ग्रीन कार्ड कब मिले. ग्रीन कार्ड, मेरा भाई एक है, वो 1990s में गया है ना. ग्रीन कार्ड अभी मिल गया. उसका इतना बेकार हाल है. पति पत्नी का दोनों का सेपरेट अकाउंट है. पत्नी बोल रही है, हमारे सामने बोल रही है, देखो आने का चाहे फ्लाइट चार्ज मैंने पे किया 45,000, व्हेन यू विल ट्रांसफर टू माय अकाउंट. ऐसा पत्नी रहकर भी क्या फायदा. वी थिंक सो फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस सो नाइस. अमेरिका में बहुत खुशी है लोग. पत्नी एक कंट्री में है, पति और एक कंट्री में, किसी साथ में आएंगे. बच्चे तीसरा कंट्री में. क्या फायदा है इतना रहेगा, इतना पैसा कमा के. इतना पैसा की क्या जरूरत है. लिव कृष्ण कॉन्शियसली, स्टे इन एसोसिएशन ऑफ डिवोटीज, practice Krishna consciousness. Even if less money, no problem. No, Krishna is not going to ask how much money you have stored for your children. Let them work hard, na? And let them work hard and get money. Why we have to give money to children? Can't they we are trying to make children, physically handicapped. The parents don't want to make children work hard. मेरा बेटा सुखी राजा की तरह जीना है. This is all Maya. Huh? So we have to. What is the use of staying in cities and earning so much money? No, 2 BHK जिंदगी भर एक 2 BHK से कमाए. क्या यही है? इसी के लिए दिन रात मेहनत कर. Don't waste time for earning money. There is no use of earning money. Nobody will be happy with you. Be Krishna conscious. हाँ? तो पूरा जिंदगी भर मेरा पिताजी पूरा जिंदगी 5 एकड़ से 100 एकड़ बनाया. 100 एकड़. हाँ? क्या फायदा है? एक माला भी जप नहीं करता था. हाँ? At least he didn't stop me to come practice Krishna consciousness. That is his punya. So one should always, be only one thing they lacked. My parents is association of devotees. They are attached to that village. They never come out of that village. वो कहाँ भी जाएगा वो village में जाएगा. They are so attached to that village. So what is only by association of devotees one can get all spiritual benefits. Wherever, even in city, no problem. We have to stay with devotees. City ho, village ho, association of devotees. Pay the price as much as possible. Okay? Hare Krishna. Anybody has doubts? हरे कृष्णा. कुछ तो प्रश्न पूछो. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? थोड़ा प्रोसेस भी चेंज करेंगे थोड़ा. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Pooja.
Okay. Thank you. So these are very, very important words. The small chapter, but it is very, very important chapter. So try to understand it. Please forgive me if I am speaking a little bit, but these verses are like that. And one should always be an association of devotees. Even if anybody, he may be a grasta, brahmachari, a sannyasi, if he is not in association, he is so unfortunate. We are so fortunate to be in Pune. We are getting nice trained. We are getting Bhakti Shastri. And other temples, it is very difficult to even to get Bhakti Vaibhav. Radheshyam Prabhu is so nicely training all devotees, grastas, brahmacharis, everybody. So utilize this and have all this training purpose is to create a desire to go back to God. Not to be attached to this material world. है ना? किसी को 50 करोड़ रुपए पैसा मिल गया. Oh, you will become so happy. What is use? You have to die one day. You cannot take 1 rupee also along with you. Better you engage. One devotee was telling, don't collect donations and keep. Always engage it in Krishna consciousness. Invest in Krishna consciousness. If we kept that money for Krishna's service, if it is utilized for Krishna's service, that is the ultimate utilization of that money. Serving devotees, these things, not just storing it. Store करके कोई फायदा नहीं. Little bit you can store, whatever under guidance. Krishna is going to protect us. एंड थोड़ा तकलीफ आने से अच्छा है कृष्ण को थोड़ा प्रेम से पुकारेंगे, हे कृष्णा, हे बलराम, सब कुछ है, ठीक है कृष्णा, चिंता मत करो, मेरा बैलेंस है, आई विल गो टू हॉस्पिटल, आई हैव हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, नो प्रॉब्लम, आई कैन गो टू हॉस्पिटल एंड गेट ट्रीटेड. We should cry for Krishna. If we are poverty, we can cry for Krishna. Hey Krishna, please. This is good situation. Not to become very rich, comfortable, peace, and we'll end up in Brahmajyoti. Huh? Okay. Hare Krishna.